Hey everyone, so if you want to use your Gmail account with other apps like PhoneMail, Outlook, or third-party tools, yeah, connecting Gmail properly can make everything sync smoothly. I'll show you step by step how to connect Gmail with other apps. First, open your Google account settings and go to Manage your Google account. Now go to the Security tab where you manage app access and login permissions. Make sure two-step verification is turned on for better security. Next, go to App Passwords and generate a special password for external apps. Now open the app you want to connect and enter your Gmail address and the app password. For better syncing, enable IMAP in Gmail settings. If the app asks for permission, make sure to allow it. Finally, send a test email to confirm everything is working. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Gmail with other apps for smooth syncing and easy access everywhere.